Today, we live in a world where working from home is normal, and earning online is possible for anyone. Thanks to artificial intelligence and digital platforms, we can now create digital products, market them to millions around the world, and automate the entire process, all from a laptop and mobile phone. This isn't just the future. This is happening right now. But the sad reality? Most people are still stuck in the old way of working long hours, low pay, no freedom, and no backup plan. You work hard, but your income never seems to grow. You dream of doing something online, but you feel lost and overwhelmed. You've seen others build businesses, but you're stuck wondering how they even started. That's why we created the Digital Builder Program, a step-by-step system to help you create your own digital products, promote them using powerful digital marketing strategies, learn sales systems that actually convert, and most importantly, you don't do this alone. You'll join a supportive team and community where we work together, grow together, and earn together. No experience? No problem. No idea what to sell yet? We'll guide you. Worried about doing sales? We help with that too. Join our free live online session to see exactly how it works. We'll show you the digital skills that are in demand, how to generate income online, and how you can start your journey now, not someday. Click the green registration button on this page and complete the form to join our free live online webinar and discover more about the Digital Builder Program. Your digital future starts here. See you inside.